Alright, we are looking at tonight's math homework, page C81, multiplication with decimals. Tonight's homework, students will solve problems involving multiplication of decimals. Alright, we're going to solve each problem and show our work. Once you have your answer, remember to look back at the numbers in the problem to make certain your answer makes sense. Let's look at number 1. 6/10 times 215. So I'm going to start out with my estimation, and then later on I will solve it. So my estimation, 6/10 is pretty close to 5/10 or 1/2. And if I think to myself 1/2 of 215, I know half of 215 is about 107. Of course, 0.5, I'll have a little remainder. That would be my estimation. Now I'm going to solve. Solve it, I'm going to ignore my decimal point and go ahead and set up my array. Go ahead, solve it using your strategy, and then we'll check. Yes. I thought that was for Wednesday. Oh, Katie has it wrong. It is today. I have some. No. Do we need them the whole time? I'm going to look at it. I do have magazines, but I think we went through those magazines and cut these out. But you can come get them and see if any are left. I haven't even looked at it. I'm not very prepared. You're welcome. Alright, you should have gotten 1,290. Now I need to place my decimal point. I'm going to look back at my original problem and count the number of decimal places. I see 1. So we're going to move our decimal point 1 place. My answer would actually be 129.0. Or we can just drop it. I look back at my estimate, and they are similar. So it does make sense. Let's look at number 2. 57 times 3,500. Start with your estimation, and then go ahead and solve. You never asked me to come in. You can grab a book off the table and look in the file for the questions that you need. Okay. Alright, so for my estimation, 57 is pretty close to 60 times 3,500. Again, kind of close to 1/2. Half of 60 is 30. My estimate would be about 30. Now I'm going to actually solve the problem. 57 times 3,500. I'm going to set up an array. You can use whichever strategy that you want. Take a minute and solve it. Alright, you should have gotten 1,995. Look back at your problem. We have 2 decimal places, which gives me my final answer of 19 and 95 hundredths, which is similar to 30, a little lower, but remember we rounded up to 1/2. Okay, take a look at number 3, and I will be back. Here's the shape. So, this is the shaver. Is that Mr. Martin on the phone? I don't know. I thought it was Mr. Bush. That is Mr. Martin. Hi.
Are you doing it 125?
Hold on. There's no pause button.